and some of the cases are real cases. And the police is taking proper action.
How far is this through that MLAs are raising that phone is going to the police officers?
We have immediately registered cases. We have immediately arrested persons. And law will take its own course. We are taking very seriously. We have already directed officers to investigate this on a merit and take logical conclusion.
So any preventive measures will be done?
Preventive measures like we have already intensified patrolling. I have already directed my staff to increase patrolling. We are already provided more vehicles. We have already provided Kolwa. We have already provided 30 more persons for the beaches. We are establishing CCTV on the beaches in Kolwa, and we have already provided 30 persons to Kolwa police station extra, so that they can monitor 24 hours these beaches. And we are trying to cover all these beaches in a safe way. And
one of the MLA yesterday in the assembly alleged that there were phone calls going up from the government to your police officers.
Regarding assembly things, I can't comment.
So why do you think that such type of hideous crimes have been increasing in Goa?
I can't comment on this. I can only comment that if any case is registered, we are taking proper action on that and see response of police. Whatever cases are registered in Goa, you can see whether it was in Vasco, whether it was in Kolwa, anywhere. We are immediately arresting. The case which you are mentioning for Ponda, the 2 persons have already been arrested. So we are arresting. Police role is to immediately catch hold of these accused persons, and we are taking proper action on this. Government is very kind. Government has given 35 more vehicles to us recently. We have given to police for more patrolling. And for your information, we are very serious to increase manpower. Police department has intensified recruitment process for that, and very soon we are going to recruit more persons. All persons will be put on hold. Not only that, the government was also kind to grant more officers. We have created around 150 field officers, that is ASI level officers, so that they are posted in the field. And since if more officers are there in the police stations, the policing will be better. So we have done all steps. Government is also helping us, and we are purchasing more vehicles. For your information, we are also purchasing more vehicles. We are also increasing manpower, so that Goa is safe. The Goa is safe, and these are local persons. The case which has happened is for local persons.
Okay. Thank you, sir. तो पूरी तरह